Welcome to the world of finance. Glowing star, if you've ever felt like financial terms are a whole different language, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down those complicated terms and making them crystal clear. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating the world of money. Ready? Let's dive in. What is financial jargon? So, what is financial jargon, anyway? It's the specialized language experts use when talking about money, investments, and markets. It can sound overwhelming, but the good news? Understanding it is simpler than you think, and it's a key step toward financial success. Decoding common terms. Let's start by decoding some of the most common terms you'll hear in finance. Trust me, these are the building blocks to understanding the big picture. 1. Investment. This is simply putting your money into something with the hope that it will grow in value. 1. Think of it as planting a tree and waiting for it to bear fruit. 1. Red apple. 2. Asset. Assets are anything of value that can be traded or exchanged. 2. Your car, house, or even stocks can be considered assets. 3. Diversification. This is a fancy word for not putting all your eggs in one basket. 3. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, you reduce the risk of losing everything. Understanding key concepts. Now let's dive into some key concepts you'll hear in personal finance discussions. 1. Risk tolerance. This is about how much risk you're comfortable taking with your investments. 1. For example, if you're okay with market ups and downs, you might have a high risk tolerance. 1. If not, you might prefer safer options. 2. Compound interest. This one's a game changer. 2. It's when you earn interest on your initial amount and on the interest that has already accumulated. 2. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. It grows faster over time. 2. Snowflake. 3. Return on investment, ROI. Simply put, this tells you how profitable an investment is. 3. It's like asking, did my tree grow enough apples to make it worth planting? Okay, let's bring this to life. Imagine you invest $1,000 in a savings account with compound interest. Over time, that $1,000 grows, not just because of the interest on your deposit, but also because of the interest building on top of it. This is why starting early with investments can make a big difference. Now that you understand these terms, you're ready to take on the financial world. Knowledge is power, and mastering these basics is your first step to building confidence and achieving your financial goals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. What's a financial term you've always wanted to understand? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and keep learning and mastering the language of money. See you next time.